Namaste everyone. I'm showing here some explanations of the exercise 13.3 of the geometry of the unit of lines and angles of grade 7 for this first term. I'm starting directly by number 3. Here in number 3 we are asked to find the complementary angle of the given angles. Just for example I'll give here. So complementary angles are those angles whose sum will become 90 degree. So these are in pair, right? So just like 40 and 50 degree, their sum is 90 degree. That is why 40 and 50 they are complementary angles. Or you may say 10 and 80 degree, is it? So their sum is 90 degree, so they are complementary angles. So to find the complementary angle of any given angle, you have to subtract that angle from the 90 degree. So you're very same, is it? So to find complementary angle of this 40 degree, you have to subtract this angle from the 90 degree. Then you can find the complementary angle of this 40 degree. So this one I'll do, number A of this tree. So we are asked here to find the complementary angle of this 40. So we say this way: complementary angle of 40 degree. So to find it, what we have to do, from 90 degree we have to subtract this angle, so we get this 50 degrees. So that's it, is it? And after talking about the complementary angle, now let's know about the supplementary angle. Supplementary angles are those whose sum is 180 degree, is it? So that may be their pair of 180 degree, their sum is 180 degree, or maybe the pair of angles 90 and 90, their sum is 180, so they are supplementary angles. Or there may be like here in number 1, is it? Here we are asked to find a supplementary angle of this 140 degree. So to find supplementary angle of any given angle, you have to subtract that angle from the 180 degree, then you can find a supplementary angle. So I go with this phone number A, where we asked to find a supplementary angle of this angle 140 degree. So we say here supplementary angle of 140 degree. So to find it, what we have to do, from 180 degree we have to subtract this angle, so we get here 40 degree. That's it. Is it very simple? Okay, so same like you can do rest numbers. Now I go with the another number of 5 and proceeding other numbers. So I erase this first. Okay, number now 5. Okay, am I going with 5 first? Let me copy the question first here. Okay, so here number 5. Alright, so what is said here is calculate the size of angle x in each of the following figures. So these all examples are for the vertically opposite angles. So we need to know first what do we mean by vertically opposite angles. So if any two lines intersect, then angles form in opposite direction or in opposite side, a pair of angles which form in opposite side. So that pair or pair of those angles we call vertically opposite angles. Just like in this first diagram when you see, is it? So here you find what, these two lines, is it? There's one line and one another line. These two are intersecting, is it? And then in opposite side there is made two angles here, is it? One is this x and another is 40, is it? Sorry. So these are vertically opposite angles, and relation between vertically opposite angles is they are equal, right? So here these x and 42 degree in this first number A, you can say equal, is it? So x equal to 40 degree, 42 degree you can say, and you can provide the reason being vertically opposite angles. And very same like number B, also same here. here two lines have been intersected, is it? So here you see these two lines. So one line is this, is it? And another line is here, this one. These two are getting intersected over here, and in opposite direction these two angles been made here. One is 2x and its opposite is 232. So these are the vertically opposite angles. So what you can say here is these two angles are equal. So you say here 2x equal to 232 degree, and you may provide the reason being vertically opposite angles. And after that we will be applying here rule of algebra, and that's what here 2 is getting multiplied with x, so we can send it down for dividing. So x equal to 232 degree by 2 you do, so that way you get there 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, so 1 and 2 12, so 2 6 12. So this way you get here x equal to 116 degree. And I'll go with number C. So here in the number C, same thing is happening. So here two lines, this one line and the one another line, this is it. These two are getting here intersected, is it? And in opposite these two angles are made, and which are given here x plus 12 degree and 3x minus 34 degree. So as these are vertically opposite angles, we can say these two angles are equal. So let's go for it. So you say here x plus 12 degree equal with 3x minus 34 degree, is it? So after writing that, we have to keep the like terms together. Constant, if constant, let's keep together. Variable and variable with the same degree, let's keep together. So you see here 3x and x, which are the like terms, so let's keep them together. So 3x you see on the right side, so this x, let's send it to the right side, and same alike, and be very sure of it, you won't make mistake. Alright, so you say this x, is it? This x, is it? It's plus, so if you send it to the right side, you will get minus. And on the left side you do have here 12, is it? So this side you bring the minus 34 from the right side, so if you bring it on the left side, so sign should be changed, is it? So as that's minus 34 on the right side, if you bring it on the left side, it will turn to the plus. So plus 34 you should say here. And now yeah, definitely you can use the word or also. Obviously you should use, like when you will be solving. And 12 and 34 you get added, you get there 46 degree. And from 3x you subtract x, and from 3x 1x you subtract, you get the 2x, and then 2 you bring down for dividing with 46 degree, is it? And that is where you get there x equal to 23 degrees. So that's fine, is it? So it's for number C. And I'll go with number D, and I use these few numbers here. So now I'm going with number D. So here also very same thing. You see two lines getting intersected, is it? So one line is this and another line is this, is it? So these two lines getting intersected, so angles made on the opposite side, we see here this one 5x minus 12 given, and this another one which is given x plus 108. So these two angles you can say equal, since they are vertically opposite angles. So let's do 5x minus 12 and the x plus 108. These are the vertical opposite angles, so we say here these two equal. And now it's turn for solving the value of x. So we need to keep like terms together, x with x together and number or constants together. So to the left side here 5x would you have already kept, and now x we bring this on the left side, and 180 is on the right side. Let's send this minus 12 from left to the right, so you get there 108 plus 12 degree, and now subtract x from 5x, so you get there 4x, and 108 if you add with 12 you're going to get there 120 degree. So x you get there 120 by 4, it will give you there 30 degrees. So value of x is here 30 degree. That's it, is it? So we came to learn the number 5, and it's numbers A, B, C, D, and I go with number 6. So for that I use this. Okay, number 6 I search now here. Now in the number 6, what's here? Let's see. So here we are said to calculate the size of angle A in each of the following figures. Right? So here you see everywhere total angle is 90 degree. I mean they're complementary angles, is it? So the first question is here is what do you understand by the complementary angles, or what are the complementary angles? That is it. So we can define. So complementary angles are those whose sum is 90 degree. It may be this pair of angles, it may be 3 angles, it may be 4 angles, any parts may be there. If their sum is 90 degree, is it? So those angles we call complementary angles. So in the number first we can easily answer, is it? And after that, now in number 2, here we are asked to calculate the size of angle A in each of the given figures. So first I go. So in the first number, I keep this on the corner side. Okay, so very first, is it number A? So in number A, here right angle as a whole is given, is it? So we may give the name AOB, is it? So this angle AOB is here right angle because symbol is given like this, is it? It stands for the perpendicular sign, and we can call it 90 degree. As this angle whole AOB is 90 degree, these splitted angles A and 27, this arm also should be same 90 degree. So that we use here very easy. So A plus 27 degree, I'm doing for this A plus 27 equal to 90 degree, and we provide here the reason being complementary angles. I'm not writing, you may write there, but be very sure you understand this. So here A plus 27 equal to 90 degree we say, and reason we provide what? Being complementary angles. And after that, A equal to 90 minus 27 degree, we send it to the right side for subtracting. So this way you get there A equal to 63 degree, is it? So value of A is here 63 degree. Now we go with number B. Right? So here number B is also very same. Here A and 67 degree are there in the right angle, is it? Which are splitted for the right angle. So their sum is here 90 degree, is it? So we say here A plus 67 equal to 90 degree, and reason we provide that being complementary angles. So A equal to 90 minus 67 you get, and that's why we get the A equal to 23 degrees. So done. B number also done. And A and B are very similar, but C is a bit different because the whole angle 90 is partitioned here into 3 angles, or it's splitted. 90 degree is when you're splitted into 3 angles. So those splitted angles, their sum we can say 90 degrees. So number C, you see here 20A and 34, is it? So their sum equal to 90 degree. You can say A plus 20 degree plus 34 degree equal to 90 degree. So this is going to give you A plus 20 and 34 we can add, so you get there 54 degree equal to 96 degree. So A equal to 96 minus 54, so through this we get there A equal to 642 and then 54. So A equal to 42 degree, is it? And very same like D number is there. Here whole 90 degree has been splitted into 3 angles A, 2 and 3A, so their sum must be 90 degree. So A plus 2A plus 3A, you can say the 90 degree, and reason you will provide same being complementary angles. Now what you get here is A, 2A, 3A, these all 3 are the like terms, so they can be added, is it? So as they all are plus over here, so they'll be added. 2A plus A, 3A, and 3A plus 3A is 6A. So 6A equal to 90 degree you get there. Then we bring 6 down for dividing with 90. So this way we get there A equal to 616 and 6 5 is 30. So we get the value of A equal to 15 degrees. So it's done for number 6, and I'll go with the number 7. And before that I erase this. Now number 6 I did. Now number 7. Okay. So in the question of number 7, so there we see here straight angle, and we have already known that straight angle is 180 degree, is it? So here what we use is, here you see one straight angle on the straight line, so sum is 180 degree, or angle of the measurement of the angle of straight line, or angle in the straight line, is 180 degree. And if we split that angle into any part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 parts, any parts, like, so sum will always remain 180 degrees. So that's the thing which we have to use here, right? So in this first number A, is it? So here straight angle is split into two angles, x and 135. So obvious that what sum of these two angles will be 180 degrees. So that we do here. So in number A, x plus 135 degree equal to 180 degree we say, and we may provide the reason being supplementary angle, being angles on sum of angles on straight line is 180 degree, or we may say here adjacent supplementary angles also. Right? Any reason which you find better, or which you find confident to write, so please write that one. But I'm not writing that now, I'm just saying. And now after writing that, x you can find by sending this 135 to the another side for subtracting. So you get there x equal to 180 minus 135, and they'll give you x equal to 45 degree. So A number is done. And in number B, and very same as A, here whole right angle, sorry, whole straight angle is split into two angles, x and 55 degree. So their sum we can say here 180 degree. So x plus 55 equal to 180 degree we say, very same. So x we're going to get there 180 minus 55, and through that way we get the value of x. So it will be there from 180 to 50 you subtract 130, so again 5 you subtract 125, so it's here x equal to 125 degree. And A and B, these two are very similar because this straight angle is split into these two angles. Now C and D are going to be another pattern which are similar. Here what changes over here is the whole straight angle has been split into three different angles. So that's the thing. Right? So I erase this first. So I go with number C over here. So it's the thing is, here you see three angles, 60, is it 60 degree, then 90 degree, and x, is it? The whole straight angle has been split into the three angles, so their sum is 180 degree, that we have to use here. So 60 degree plus 90 degree plus x equal to 180 degree, you can say, and reason you may provide here, sum of angles on straight line is 180 degree, is it? So I said you can write by yourself. And after that what you do here is 60 and 90 will get added, so it will become here 150 degree, and plus x is there, and on the right side there is 180, and send this 150 on the right side to subtract, then you get the value of x. So x equal to 180 minus 150 you do, and that way you get there x equal to 30 degree. That's fine, is it? So sum number C, and I'll go with number D. Right, so how is this? Place may not be sufficient on that. Okay, so number D, right? So in this number here we see whole straight angle, is it? That is split it into three angles, 60 minus x, 3x plus 10, and x minus 4. So obvious that sum of these three angles is going to be 180 degree, that we have to use here. So 60 minus x, first angle is 60 minus x, and second angle is there 3x plus 10 degree, and the last angle is x minus 4. So obvious that their sum is 180 degree. And now to solve, we have to arrange here like terms together, is it? And that's not needed here because you see x and minus x, which you can cancel, is it? So here this plus x and minus x you can cancel, and there remains only 3x there. So only 3x is remaining, and then 60, 10 and 4 you see, is it? You see 60, 10 and 4, is it? So 10 minus 4, 6 plus 60, 66, and equal to 180 degree. So 3x equal to 180 minus 66 we do. So 3x equal to, so if we get confused, directly subtracting 66 degree from 180 degree, one easy idea I do have, may be helpful for you as well. So let's not directly subtract 66 from 180. So subtract by making parts of the multiples of 10. So you first subtract in your mind 61, is it? So 180 minus 60 easily can get this 120, you know, and from 120 that separated part 60 you get subtracted. So 120 minus 6 is 1. So very easy, is it? So that way if you manipulate in your mind, it will be very easy to subtract any number which is not being the multiple of 10, like to subtract from any number. And then you bring this 3 down to divide, is it? So you get the value of x. So 3 to the 6, is it? And then 3 to 6, if you do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5, so 54. So 54 mean, so how much is going to be? 3 is a 9. Oh no, sorry, it's not 3, it's not 2, it's 3. 3 is a 9, is it? And now 11, 9, 2 remain, 2, 4, 24. So 3, 8 is 24. So that's it, is it? So here it's 38 degrees. So value of x is here 38 degrees, is it? Sorry. So it's done for number 7, and I'll go with number 8 to let you learn. So for this I will erase this. Okay, so number 8 I'm going to do. Sorry. So here we are talking about the complete turn, right? So we have known about the straight angle, which is 180 degree. So on this straight angle, so let's see how it works. Right? So this is the straight angle. If you see this side of turn, that is 180, is it? And then again if you see next half down, so it is again 180 degree. So this full turn, this whole turn is going to give you 360 degree, because sum of 180 and 180 it will give you 360 degree. So this idea we are using, right? So the whole turn, a complete turn, it always gives 360 degree, and a whole complete turn angle 360 degree. If you break into any parts, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, right? 5 parts, any parts if you break into, then their sum must be 360 degree, and that idea we'll be using. And here these numbers a, b, c, d, which you are given to solve the value of x, that we can solve very easily. So now I'll be doing few only. First I start with a yeah, this first. So number 8. So in number A, this whole complete turn is split into 3 angles. The first is 90, next is 135 degree, and another is x. So their sum must be 360 degree. That idea we'll use here. So x plus 135 degree plus 90 degree, 3 angles, is it? So their sum is going to be over here 360 degree, is it? And now after writing that, now we solve it. So x plus, so 135 plus 90 degree we do, so it's giving us 225 degree and equal to 360 degree, and then we send this 225 to another side for subtracting. So 360 degree minus 225 we do, and that will give you x equal to 135 degrees. So that's it. That's for number A, and I'll go with number B. So for that I will this first. Number B. So here whole diagram, whole complete turn 360 degree that has been split into four angles. So first is your 90, next is your 85, then next is 57, and then next is 2x. Is it? So sum of these angles equal to 360, you can say. So 2x plus 90 degree and plus 85 degree and plus 57 degree. So their sum equal to 360 degree. And reason you have to provide your complete turn measures 360 degree. Right? With that, you can say here what complete turn as a reason. Complete turn measures 360 degree, or sum of angles in the complete turn is always 360 degree. Any reason which is comfortable to you to define correctly, is it? You can use it. Right? So after that, this 2x is same, which is variable, and then there are the numbers 90, 85 and 57. Let's get them added. So 90 plus 85 plus 57 is 232. Is it? So that's 232. I'm using calculator to make it in swift time. Right? You may not be allowed to use the calculator in the exam until and unless you go to the grade 8. So you have to be capable to use calculations, adding, subtracting manually by yourself. Like a calculator, you won't be dependent on the calculator. You'll not be allowed to use calculator. So let's subtract now 232 from the 360 degree. So it's 128 degree, and now bring 2 down for dividing. 128 by 2. So this will give you x equal to 2612, 248. So value of x is over here 64 degree. So I did here A and B, and remaining C and D are very similar, same kind. There are just few more angles which is split 360 into, so no need to be worried for that. Just make the sum of all those angles which are split over there and make it equal to 360 degree and simplify it to get the value of x solved. So I made you 8 number clear, and I go to number 9. So for that I erase this first. Okay, number 9 now. So we're here in number 9. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here is combination of the vertical opposite angle and the straight angle. Right? So both are used here together. So I go with first number A. So what's here is we are asked to solve the value of A, B and C. So with 150 degree you can find any of these angles A, B, C at first. So it's up to you. Right? So first I'm going with B, because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. Is it? 150 and B, these are angles made on the opposite of the two lines intersection. So these you can say equal. Is it? So B angle equal to 150 degree you say, and you provide the reason being vertically opposite angle. And after that, when to find C and A, is it? So you use the relation of the straight angles. So here one by doing the separate diagram. Okay, so you do have this as 150 degree, and here you have A. Is it? So sum of these two angles will become here 180 degree, or we have to use that, right? So here what you do, a plus 150 degree equal to 180 degree can say, and we may provide the reason being supplementary angle or being straight angle or adjacent supplementary angle. Is it? So here a equal to 180 minus 150, and that will give you value of a equal to 30 degree. And once you find a C angle C, you can find very same way as C and 150 are here supplementary angle. Instead of that, as you have already found a, you can say a and c, these are the uh, vertically opposite angles. Is it? Angle c and angle a, these are made on the opposite side of these two lines intersection. So a and c, they are vertically opposite angles, so you can say c equal with a. Is it? So this way you get here angle c equal to 30 degree. That's it. Is it? So I made it clear with number a, and I'll go with number b. So for that, I erase this first. Okay, number B. So what's here in B? Let's see. Same thing is here. Is it? Two lines are intersected, and some sort of angles are given, b to a, to c minus 15, and a plus 20. So your is bit different or bit difficult. Level of difficulty is bit more here compared to a, because you have to make first choice which you will take a pair to use the concept of vertical opposite or the adjacent supplementary. Is it? So if we say 2a and if you take 2a and b, which are adjacent supplementary angles, but you are not going to solve, you will not be solving directly, is it? Because 2a plus b equal to 180 you do, and you stop over there, is it? So making that choice is not going to give any answer for that. And again, same like if you do here b and a plus 1, a plus 20, is it? So if you use it, that's also not going to get you any value for solving, is it? So let's search where you see two similar variables, is it? So these are here a plus 20 and the 2a, is it? So 2a and a plus 20, they are having constant value and same variable terms, is it? So if you make either equal, or you may make the sum of the angles equal to 90 or 180 something, you are going to get the value of a, is it? And now you have to make proper choice. What is the relation between these two angles? Here we see what is, these are the vertically opposite angles, isn't it? So these two you can say equal. So you say here 2a equal to a plus 20 degree, is it? So a you bring on the left side, is it? And then equal to 20. Therefore you get there a equal to 20 degrees. So angle of a, or value of a is solved. And once you solve the value of a, now easily you can find b and c, is it? Now I go with b first, is it? So 2a and b, right? So here 2a and b, these are angles on the line, so their sum you can say 180 degree. So you say here 2a plus b equal to 180 degree. You are very clear to give its reason, is it? You say here sum of angles in straight line is 180, or you say here adjacent supplementary angles, others say simply supplementary angles. Now put the value of a, which we have found 20 degree. So 2 into 20 degree plus b equal to 180 degree, say. So 40 plus b equal to 180 degrees. So this will give you b equal to 180 minus 40, 140 degree. So value of b is also found. And after finding value of b, now we go to find the value of c. So here we may link between this b and the 2c minus 15, is it? Because these are the angles made on the opposite side when two lines are intersecting, is it? So these two angles are equal since they are vertically opposite angles. So I do this down, b equal to 2c minus 15 degree we say, and we'll be providing the reason being vertically opposite angles. You may write, I'm just saying. And now b we have found here 140 degree, is it? So in place of b we should keep here 140 degree and 2c minus 15, and then, or I say, and now this 15 I bring to the left side. So 140 is here already, and plus 15 degree we do, is it? So equal to twice c, and When you add, we get there 155 degree equal to 2c. So c will become here 155 degree divided by 2. So it's going to give you 2 sevens are 14. Again 2 sevens are 14 point and 1. So 1 0 10, 2 5s are 10. So value of c is over here 77.5 degree. And now here these two angle questions C and D, which are given here, these needs the concept of the angles on the parallel lines, and this we haven't studied here in this start of this unit. So I'm limiting up to here number B, and I'll be moving directly into number 10. So before of that, I will erase this, and I see what's 10 over here. Okay, so at this, the number 10 I'm doing. Okay, so here in this is the language problem we are finding here. So first number, if two complementary angles are in the ratio 4:5, find the angles. So here it said two angles are in the ratio, two complementary angles are in the ratio 4:5, and we have to find those angles. So when ratio comes, we have to suppose them as the assigning some variable. Like, so here 4:5, so those angles we can say 4x and 5x, is it? So here say let the angles be 4x and 5x. So these two angles we suppose 4x and 5x. So obvious is what, as these are complementary angles, their sum is 90 degree. So 4x 5x, their sum we say here 90 degree, since they are complementary angles. We have known that complementary angles are those whose sum is 90 degree. And now their sum 4x plus 5x, we get their 9x, or we may use equal to 90, and then you bring 9 down for dividing, so this way you get their x equal to 10 degree. And once you find the value of x, then put it back to get the values of those angles. So therefore first angle equal to 4x, so it means 4 into 10, that is why it's 40 degree. And the second angle, so second angle is over here 5x, it means it's 5 into 10, so that's 50 degree. So both angles are formed, is it? So very like B number is there, you can do by yourself, and I'm going with number C to let you understand. So is this first. Okay, now I'm going with number C. So let's read here what's the question. If two supplementary angles are in the ratio 5:4, find angles. So here's very same, angles are given in the ratio, and these are supplementary angles. So very first we have to suppose the angles. Let the angles be 4x degree, also you make it if you wish, 4x and x degree, is it? And as these are supplementary angles, it's very obvious that their sum should be 180 degree. So then we say here 4x plus x equal to 180 degrees. So 5x equal to 180 degree we do. So this will give you 5 goes for dividing down, and x equal to 5 3 15 3 0 30. So 5 6 30. So value of x is over here 36 degrees. So we found the value of x 36 degree. So therefore first angle, so first angle is here 5x, so that's 5 into 36 degree. So 5 6 30, 5 to 15 15 3. So I'm making a mistake, no, is it sorry, first angle is not 5x degree, it's 4x. Sometimes teachers also make mistake, is it? Okay, so first angle is 4x, so 4 into x, 4 into 36, 4 6 24, and 4 3 12 12 to 114 144, is it? So your first angle is 144, and then second angle is over here x, and that is over here 36 degrees. So second angle is also found, right? So I'll let you understand C number, and very same like you can obviously do D number, very same process. And now after completing number 10, now I go with the number 11, right? And before that I read this number, this thing first address. Okay, so number 10 is done, and now I'm going with number 11. Okay, so it's very same like with number 10, but bit higher ability should be required here to understand, right? So let's go with number A first. So let's say, if one angle is triple of its supplementary angles, so find angles, is it? So here said what first angle is 3 times of the its supplementary angle. So supplementary angle, it means very clear their sum must be there 180-degree, and their relation is what that's given here, is it? One angle is triple of the another angle, is it? So you may start by supposing first angle as x. I'm doing with this number A. Let the first angle equal to x. So second angle equal to, we say, as it's given triple of the first angle, you can say second angle is 3x. And as these angles are supplementary angles, their sum must be there 180-degree. So then we say here x plus 3x equal to 180-degree, is it? So you get there 4x equal to 180-degree. So x you get there 180-degree by 4, and obviously it's 45-degree. So we found the first angle equal to 45. So therefore first angle equal to 45-degree. Then second angle, is it? So second angle is going to be here 3x. It means 3 into 45-degree. So this will give you second angle equal to 3 5 15, 3 4 12, 12 1 13. So 135-degree is the second angle. So very same like you can do number B, where this given complementary angle, is it? So just give you hint, you can do yourself. So one angle is double of its complementary angle is 8. So what you have to suppose here is first angle x and second angle 2x, is it? And their sum is 90 because these are complementary angles, and that we can get it solved. And in number C, if an angle is 35 less than its complementary angle. Okay, I'll do it this by showing you. Okay, so I'm going now number C to do. Number C. So here said what one angle is 35-degree less than its complementary angle. So you suppose first angle as x. Let first angle equal to x degree, and second angle or its complementary angle, there's a 35 less. So 35 less means 35 minus x. It's not like that, right? So 35 less mean x minus 35, right? So here what we write, second angle is 35 less than x. So x minus 35-degree is the second angle, right? And as these angles are complementary angles, so it's obvious that their sum is 90-degree. So you say here then x plus x minus 35-degree equal to 90-degree. So we can solve it. So you see here x and x, which will get added, 2x you get, and 2x minus 35 equal to 90-degree, and 2x equal to 90 plus 35-degree, because you send when you send this minus 35 to the another side, it will get added. So you get there 2x equal to 125-degree. Then x equal to 125-degree by 2 you do. So that way you get there 2 6 12, 2 2 is 4, is it? So 2 5 is 10. So we bring the value in decimal. So value of x is over here 62.5 degree, is it? And after finding that it's the first angle, is it? So therefore first angle equal to 62.5 degree, and very same alike. Now I can find second angle. So second angle is going to be here 35 less than first. So 62.5 degrees is the first angle. So if you make lessening of the 35 degrees, so how much you're going to get? 0.5 degree, is it? 1257, is it? And one carryover given, so 5532. So 27.5 degrees is the second angle. And a very same alike you can do number D by yourself. So it said here, if an angle is 111 degree greater than its supplementary angle, then find angle. So first angle obviously will be supposing x, and second angle you will say 111 degree more than x. It means x plus 111 you have to say, and their sum is 180 degrees since they are the supplementary angles, right? So after number 11, so it's done, is it? Up to 11 number you are clear. Now the last number is remaining, number 12. So that also I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so for that I will erase this. Okay, now number 12. Okay, so what's here? Let's see. So first number, right? Number A. So here say if the sum of an angle and its complementary angle of 50 degree is 110 degree, then find the angle. So very similar as the previous number of 11 we did. What's it? Let's read it again. Sum of an angle and the complement of angle of 15 degree. Is it bit more complicated compared to the previous one? So first angle we don't know, but second angle is complement of the 15 degree, is it? So their sum is 100 degree, is it? So two three things are mixed over here. So first I say here first angle as x. So I'm doing with a let first angle equal to x degree, is it? And now second angle is what here? Second angle equal to complement of 15 degrees. So that's the thing where thing is mixed here, right? Complementary angle of 15 degree, is it? So here complementary of 15 degree means 90 minus 15 degree, and that's over here 75 degree, is it? And now next said what? Sum of this first angle and second angle is over here 100 degree. That's it here. So here we do what? First angle plus second angle. So this sum is 100 degree. So first angle we have suppose x degree, and second angle this we have found 75 degree, and their sum is 100 degree. So x equal to here 100 minus 75 degree, and that will give you x equal to 25 degrees. So this way we found the angle is 25 degree, is it? So that's the first angle we found, is it? And second angle we have already found the 75 degree. So the angles are 25 degree and the 75 degree. That's it, is it? And this of A, whatever how I will institute, is it? And I'll go with B. And for that I will this number A. Okay, now number B. So what's here in BC? So if the difference of an angle and the complement angle of 40 degree is 15 degree, then find the angles, is it? So here in the number 8 there was given sum of the angle and complement of another angle, but here given difference of the angle and complement of 40 degree, is it? So we say here we suppose your first angle is x. Let first angle equal to x degree, first angle we suppose, and your second angle, like your second angle is complementary angle of 40 degree, is it? So it's what it is, complementary angle, complementary angle of 40 degree, is it? So that's what, that is 90 minus 40, is it? And that will give you 50 degree, is it? And now their difference we are said to be 15 degree, is it? So here it's what then, as question, first angle minus second angle equal to here 15 degree, is it? So first angle we have suppose x degree, and second angle just we have found 50 degree, so equal to 15 degree. And now what you can do here is this 50 degree from left you can send it into the right side, so x equal to 15 plus 50 degree you get, and this will be here 65 degree. So the first angle is 65 degree and second angle we have already found 50 degree. So the angles are 65 and 50 degree, whose difference is there 15 degree. That's it, is it? And very same like number C and D you can do yourself, is it? Very similar things there, right? So of this 13.3 exercise from number 3 up to number 12 I made it clear, I guess, is it? And if you have clearly understood the things how I have little learn over here at this time, right? uh, be promoting me by sharing, subscribing, and giving some feedbacks in the comment section. It will be very enthusiastic for me to make further videos to help you learn further. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you everyone.